Let's discuss sets. A set is a collection of well defined objects. They are they are denoted by capital letters, and its element represent in small letters. Well defined means not misguided. Well defined means not misguided. Misguided. Are set represent in a capital letters and their elements in small letter. Just A. This notation belongs to A. Belongs to this notation belongs to, and A belongs to A. B belongs to A. C belongs to A, and D does not belongs to A. This notation does not belongs to this equal to, and then this is not equal to, or this is curly bracket. Now example first. The collection of beautiful actress. This is a set. Just person to person vary. Just a person. This actress for beautiful this person, but this actress for not beautiful this person. This this actress for not beautiful this person, but this actress beautiful for this person. So person to person vary. So this is a not a not a set, not well defined. This is not well defined. But then the collection collection of actress. This is a set as two person. This is a actress and this is non-actress. A is the actress for this set, or B is the not actress for this set. The C is the actress in C is the actress. Then in this set, D is the not actress. Then in this not set belongs to. So the collection of actress. So this is a set. The collection of vowels. All English vowels. This is a set. As this is a set. Only English vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Any person, any person ask you, then this is called A, I, O, U. Natural number is a set as starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Note first. The order of element the order of element does not matter in set. The order of element does not matter in set. Just A, B, C, and B, C, A. A first position in set and in A third position in set. B second position and first position. C third position and C second one. So the order of element does not matter in a set. You can any order, right? Understand? Second, an element an element is not repeated in set. Yes, SCHOOL in a set SCHO two times, but you can write only once time in a set. SCHOL is co in set. You got it? Now representation of set. Now representation of set. Of set. First, roster form or tabular form. Roster form or tabular form. In this method, a set is described by listing element described by listing element separated by commas and enclosed then by curly bracket. Example: first five natural number, then just n in curly bracket and separated by comma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second, set builder for or property method. In this method, we write down their property or rule which gives us all element of set. Just example: x square ex 2 greater than x greater than 5 less than 5, then x belongs to natural number. Only this only we can write property or rule. Understand? You got it? Now, types of sets. Types of sets. First, null set, a void set, a empty set. A empty set. Null set, void set, or empty set. A set having no elements is called null set. It is denoted by high or red. Now example: f and x greater than 2 and x less than 3. And x belongs to natural number. Any natural number between 2 and 3? No. So this is null set. Now singleton set. Singleton set. A set having only one element is called singleton set. Singleton set. Now example, 2 greater than x and less than 4 and x belongs to natural number. Any natural number between 2 and 4, yes, only 3. The single set. Finite set. A set has countable number of elements is called finite set. Finite set. Example, first 5 prime numbers, then 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. This is the first number. Infinite set. Infinite set. A set having infinite numbers of elements is called infinite set. Natural number. Set of natural number. Equal set. Equal set. Two sets A and B are said to be equal if every element of set A is the every element of set A is the member of set B, and every element of set B is the member of set A. Example, A set. 1, 2, 3, 4, and B set 3, 2, 4, 1. A is the member of every element of is in B, and B is the member of every element of A. Then A equal to B. Equal to B set. Now, order of cardinal number and order of cardinal number. Cardinal number or order of finite set. Order of finite set. Just the order of number just denoted by OA or NA. Then just is A, B, C, and D. then there are four elements in a set. So order of A equal to 4. Yeah, order n of A equal to 4A. Just example, define the number of elements in a finite set is called the number of elements in a finite set is called cardinal number, or cardinal number is called cardinal number, yeah, order of finite set. That's denoted by denoted by order of A or an A. Now equal set, then equivalent set, two sets, two finite sets A and B are equivalent if their cardinal number cardinal number number of cardinal number if their cardinal number are same, is called finite, is called equivalent set. Now example, 1 2 3 and B, A B C. Is there or cardinal number of order of A? 3. Order of B, cardinal number of B, 3. Then this is a equivalent set. So every equal set is a equivalent, but every equivalent set is not a equal set. Now universal set. Universal set. The set of all the possible possible number of elements in in a set is called e- universal set, and it is denoted by u. Then example, A is the set 1 2 3, and B is the 3 4 5, and C set 7 8 9. And universal set, all possible number of elements, 1 2 3 1 2 3 3 for 1, the 3 already, the repeated, and number of elements not repeated, the 3, the 4 5, for 7 8 9, 7 8 9, universal set. Now subset 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 let two sets A and B then A subset B, means A is the subset of B, or B is the superset of A. Let two sets A and B then A subset B if every element of set A is contained in set B. In set B. Now, example A, B, C and B set. A, B, C, D, E. A is the subset of B. A is the subset of B because every element of A is contained in set B. So A is the subset of B. Another example A, B, C and B, A, B, A, B, D, E is not a subset of B because C is element of A, but C is not contained in this element E. C is not contained in B. So this A is not subset of B. Now total number of subset. This is the set A. 1, 2, 3. Then the subset 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Okay. 5 is a subset of every set. 1 1 is this set and 1 is this set. 1 is subset of this set. 2 is the subset of this set. 3 is this set is the subset of this set because 3 in a set 3 is this element and 3 is this element. This is subset because every element of this set is the containing this set. So the number of subset number of subset 2 to the power n 2 to the power n 2 to the power n. Note, first, every set is a subset of itself. Every set is a subset of itself. 1, 2, 3. This set is the subset of is this set. So every set is a subset of itself. Second note, phi is phi is phi is subset of every set. Phi is the subset of every set. Third, A subset B, then B subset A subset B, and B subset A, then A equal to B. A subset B and B subset A, then A equal to B. Now this is a 1, 2, and this is a subset. The total number of subset, the total number of subset of A is of 5, 1, 2, 1, 2. And the proper subset is this is the proper subset. This is proper subset. This is not proper subset. Proper subset. Let A subset B, but A not equal to B. Let A subset B, but A not equal to B. तो A subset, this is the proper subset. A not equal to B, so this is the proper subset. Just phi 1 2 and 1 2. So this is the proper subset. This is proper subset. This is proper subset, and this is a improper subset. This is improper subset. This is improper subset. The total number, the total number of subset 2 to the power n. The total number of subset 2 to the power n, and the total number of proper subset. The total number of proper subset. This is not on. So 2 to the power n. 2 to the power n minus 1. 2 to the power n or minus 1. Now power set. Power set. Power set. The collection of all the subset in a set is called power set, and it is denoted by A. Just this is the set. This is the set A. Set of A and 1 2 3, and the subset of A. Subset of A, phi 1 2 1 2 1 3 2 3 and 1 2 3. Then the power set of A. Power set of A. The power set, all the subset in a set. All the subset. All the subset. All the subset. All the subset in a set. This in a set. This is a power set. This is the power set. The total number of power set 2 to the power n. अब now just the total number of power set of A. This set, the total number of power set. The total number of element in power set. The total number of elements in power set. This is the 8 to the power n. So now question. The subset of power set of set A 1 2 3. The subset of the total number of subset of power set of set A 8 12 10 to 56. Now first of all, the total number of subset of power set of set A. So set A power set, the number of power set PA power set. So first of all, this is a subset. Now subset of A. Subset of A, phi 1 2 3 1 2 2 3 and 1 3 and 1 2 3. This is the subset of A, and the power set is 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 in a set. And now there are how many elements in the power set? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the subset of power set 2 to the power n. N is the number of elements in the power set 8. So 2 to the power 8, 256. Understand? Got it? Yes. Thank you.